y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. As always, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, and as always as well, please leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. If you have not already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And as you can see from the description, I'm excited. We have another FetchBox unboxing. I think this subscription is fantastic. It is a pet subscription, a dog subscription, and it's only $20 a month. That's awesome. I will put a link down below. You can purchase this through Cratejoy. You can also purchase this through Amazon. So I will make sure to put both links down below. If you use the code SPECIAL30, you can get 30% off your first box. And every month you will receive 5 full-sized items. I know last month, it's just a great variety. I mean, it could be toys, treats, shampoo, or different hygiene type products and things. So it's always a great variety. And like I said, it is always 5 full-size items. They are suitable for any dog, and it's only $20 a month. That is unbelievable. So you're paying $4 a product. So you can't beat that. And it's a great way to spoil your pup. So I know I've got 2 that are in there that are probably waiting for me to open this because they were pretty happy with the one last month. So we're going to hop into it. Again, this is the January 2019 FetchBox. So let's open her up. So here on top we have a card. This card says, "Happy New Year to you and your pet. A new year is the perfect opportunity to begin new routines, have new experiences, and set new goals. Our January winter care box was created to make your dog's health a priority. The items within this box are some of our favorite cold weather essentials." And here is a code. This only is for Amazon, and it is good through March 31st. It says 20% off any full-size product using 21st box. So I'll put that up there for you. Okay. And then this is what it looks like when we open it with the sticker. So we will peel this back. All right, I'm gonna set this right here for a second. So we're just gonna start with the first item here on top, which is from Arm & Hammer. It is Nubbies Tartar Control Dental Treats for Dogs. There are 20 of them in here, and they are chicken flavored. It says treat your pup to fresh breath. Baking soda enhanced formula. So I know both of my puppies will enjoy this. Let's see. Dental care is essential to the guarantee of your dog's health. Give your dog an Arm & Hammer Nubbie treat once a day to help with tartar control, to freshen breath and whiten teeth. So that is nice. So we're tricking them with a treat, but making their breath fresh. So with that. And then here, what do we have here? Durka Canine Chews. Puffs, ideal for dogs of all sizes. So that's that packaging, and then this is what it looks like. Turn the winter blues into the winter chews with Durka Puffs, made simply from yak and cow milk, salt, and lime juice. Durka Canine Puff Chews will quickly become your dog's favorite treat. Okay, that's interesting. We will definitely see if Oscar and Otis enjoy these. I'm sure they will. They enjoy everything. Here we have also from Arm & Hammer. Advanced odor control. Dry shampoo for pets. Great for in-between baths. Y'all, I have seen it all. They have dry shampoo for dogs. It is a blood orange scent. Looking for a quick refresh between tub time? Arm & Hammer dry shampoo for pets is infused with baking soda that dissolves into fine particles to eliminate unwanted odor, add body to the coat, and leave behind a bright blood orange scent. Right there. That is crazy. Dry shampoo for doggies. I'm gonna smell it. Ooh. It smells so good. I want my dry shampoo to smell like that. I wonder if I can use this. Probably not. No, I'm just kidding. Oscar and Otis will be using this probably tomorrow. Just because it's kind of late right now. So, all right. And then we have, what do we have here? Well, this is from Martha Stewart. Excuse me. Martha Stewart Nose and Paw Lotion. Playing outside can leave your dog with a dry nose or cracked paw pads. Martha Stewart Nose and Paw Lotion protects, moisturizes, and heals irritated noses and paws. This hypoallergenic formula is unscented and naturally derived, paraben and sulfate free, and safe for all breeds. So yeah, they just got some lotion. And I'm loving that the one thing about this box that I seem to find that is pretty consistent is like everything is fine for any dog. So it doesn't matter that I have a Dachshund and an English Bulldog. I can use these products on both of them. I can give both of them these treats. So I think that is really awesome, especially if you do have a household where you have more than one breed. So again, that's just to me a plus for the box. And we have one more item here. And this is from Burt's Bees. I did not even know until the box last month. We got some Burt's Bees dog shampoo that Burt's Bees made products for dogs. This is the Burt's Bees multi-purpose hypoallergenic wipes. So there is that. And there are 50 of them in here. So this says Burt's Bees multi-purpose hypoallergenic wipes with honey will quickly clean a dirty dog from the back of the ears to the tip of the tail. Ideal for wiping off paws or to spot clean after a messy situation. Suitable for all dogs and puppies. Formulated without sulfates, fragrances, essential oils, or colorants. So these will actually be wonderful for Otis. Like I said, he's an English Bulldog, so he has like all these rolls on his face, and his nose we have to take wipes and clean. So these will be perfect for that. And then we do clean out, we'll clean with the wipes, both of Oscar and Otis, both of their ears. So I'm actually really happy with this, and I think they will be too. So that was the January 2019 FetchBox. Again, I am blown away. $20. You're not going to go to the store and buy dog dry shampoo for $4. You're not going to buy some Martha Stewart lotion for a dog for $4. So when it's $20 a box and you're getting 5 items, it breaks down to $4 a piece. They clearly are worth more than that. So I think it is a fantastic deal. I think it is awesome that you have the choice of purchasing through Cratejoy or on Amazon. So like I said, I will make sure to put a link for both of those down below, and let me know what you guys thought. I think this is the second box, and it is just blowing me away. I'm so like, yes. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what you thought, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.